Hello YouTubers, today we have 2005 Infiniti FX35 and we will do Swaber links on the front. So the vehicle is on a jack stand, we'll remove the cover. To get the wheel off you'll need 21mm socket and I'm using half-inch impact. All the parts and tools that you will need for this job are in the links in the description to the video. This is half-inch, battery powered, 1500 foot-pound torque. Get the nuts off. Here replaceable tool in the shop. Right, so here's the Swaber link, top and bottom connection. So you just scrape it, take the mud off with the wire brush. They're quite rusted. They've been here for a while. Next we'll spray them with WD-40. Let them sit a bit. Get that to penetrate. Right, so this is the first time I'm doing the Swaber links on Infiniti. And first thing you want to check if the new one is the same size. And they are. Another thing that I don't like but I love is this key, this holder. So when we spin the knot, we don't need to worry about getting the wrench behind or vice grips. This should hold it against the frame, and this is game changer. This is the first time I see this design, but it's fantastic. Another thing which I noticed right away was both studs, both nuts are pointing towards outside, and in most of the vehicle it's one going this way, the other one going the other way, so it's always really difficult to get at least one out. So far this is impressive, so thumbs up for Infiniti. Alright, so now we'll remove the nut. We'll remove the top one first. It's 17mm. Like, this is the easiest Swaber link removal ever because of this piece that holds it in place. So the bottom one we are not able to get with impact right now because it's way too high. So what I will do, I will go on the other side, will disconnect the top one, and then the Swaber link should go down enough so I should be able to reach it with the impact from below. Okay, so now you can see that the Swaber link dropped down enough so I can use swivel with the socket. So another easy win for us. The passenger side is actually not that terrible. Like, there is a hole, so it's loose, but I don't think it was making too much noise yet. The worst is the driver's side. So we are on the driver's side now, and you can see what it's doing. The bottom is basically broken, the top one is still fine, and it was making terrible noise every single bump on the road, so that's the reason why we're replacing it. To install the new one, we'll start with the bottom one for the same reason, so we can get it tight with the, at least get it snug with the impact, and then torque it. So I already got the other side snug. Camera is kind of on the way. Just try to walk around it. That should be good. Now we can do the top one. We need to spin this a bit. Get it snug. By the way, the new nut is 19 mil. So now we'll torque it to 75 foot-pounds. As was mentioned before, all the links for parts and tools in the description to the video. So if you need a torque wrench, it will be there. So this is all good. Before we put the wheel back on, we will take some anti-seize and apply it on the hub where the wheel sits, because we have aluminum wheels. They have a tendency to oxidize, and very often the wheel can get stuck really badly. So a little bit of anti-seize can save lots of time down the road. So these wheels we get the lug nut started, and then we'll get them snug with the impact. Okay, so I'll get them snug. We will lower it down. We'll torque it to 80 foot-pounds. Right. So 80 foot-pounds. Always you want to do a crisscross pattern. Just a little lug studs, so you don't want to over torque them. And also you want to give it another torque after 50 roughly kilometers of vehicle being on the road. And the last, we will install this beautiful cap. I would imagine that this has to align with that notch. Here you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please check the description to the video for all the parts and tools that you might need. Check my new Amazon channel. That will help Amazon store. That will help the channel. And as always, just do it yourself. Take care.